Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about our high pressure parts washers and if high pressure parts washers means high performance. So generally what a parts washer is using hot water and detergent to remove grease and oil from parts. All parts washers operate this way. Now, it does not use an abrasive. A lot of people have questions about vapor honing versus parts washing. Vapor honing uses an abrasive, parts washers do not. These are specifically hot water and solvent that we use in these cabinets. So the big question here is, does a high pressure parts washer like this mean high performance? The answer is yes, to be very short, but we're gonna explain that more in depth. So this is a little bit different from your standard parts washer that uses more of like a low pressure and very hot water and a solvent. This uses high pressure in addition to that. So these can range anywhere from 1200 to 4000 PSI. We build them kind of in any of those ranges, but the benefit you get with high pressure is the performance. It's able to do things a lot faster, a lot quicker, speed up your production, allow you to get more parts done, which means more money in your pocket. So that is why high pressure means high performance and a return on investment with our parts washers that are anywhere from 1200 to 4000 PSI. So to dig into a little bit more of the efficiency side of things, we're gonna go over the features that this offers. Obviously on this side, we have the heater box. So we have your timer here, heater box here that shows you the temperature. Now this gets up from anywhere from like 117, 115 to 120. And this heater box gets up to 6 hours. So it's great to have the heated water because it washes away greases and oils a lot faster. Please keep in mind, this machine is a 220 volt single phase. We do have the Hydroblast Max as an exception to that, where it can be 3-phase 480 volt. As far as the pump, this one puts out 1200 to 1700 PSI. The Max is gonna put out your 4000 PSI. Inside, what makes that variable is there is an adjustable spray wand. So you can get more of a fan spray, or you can get more of a jet spray. All of our manual high pressure parts washers do come with a wiper. This is gonna keep your sight line to your part clear so you can see your part throughout the entire process. Inside on this one, you're gonna get 2 lights. Now some machines, depending on the size, may get 3, so you'll get optimal maximum lighting across the entirety of this cabinet. You do have 2 methods of filtration on this cabinet as well. So underneath your floor of this cabinet, you're gonna have 2 or 3 bag filters depending on which model you go with, because we offer it from the 33 by 30 by 28 size, the whole way up to the 60 by 48 by 38 size. So there's gonna be 2 or 3 mesh bag filters under here. Now on the side over here, so down here on the bottom, we have another wire mesh filter. Obviously ours needs washed out and cleaned, but you are able to easily wash those and clean them. Those are the 2 methods of filtration you have. You'll also notice that there is air coming into this cabinet. So if you look on this side again, on the inside here, you have a dryer nozzle, so you can dry your parts after you're done washing them. Now in this machine, you're gonna wanna use an aqueous-based detergent. That means water-based, so that you don't damage the internals of the pump. All of our machines are that way, that come in the manual Hydroblast format. Feature-wise, these are all of the benefits and advantages and perks that you will see out of our parts washers that come in the manual format from the 1200 to 4000 PSI. So our manual parts washers will make cleaning easier, safer, and faster. Again, the key is the faster here because it's gonna make you more productive, produce more parts, get more parts done, put more money in your pocket to get a return on investment out of this cabinet. And again, this is a self-contained unit, so it is going to continuously keep using the same water that you fill the machine with. It's gonna recirculate it so you don't have to add any more except for when you change it out. There may be some minor evaporation because of the heater, but it's not drastic. But also, like I mentioned before, you do have the 2 methods of filtration on a manual setup like this one. You have your bag filters underneath the floor, and you have the inline filter down here that's a wire mesh that will help you stay cleaner and put clean water through the pump and the gun. If you have any questions about these machines, the manual parts washers, please give us a call. We'd love to tell you about them, answer any of your questions. 828-202-5563.